Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and bring back streaks on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead, first of all open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, this is basically gonna look like this. Once you open it, then what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on the profile icon over here. This will simply open up your profile with a menu including your snap streaks, which apparently you have lost some or you have lost entirely. If you would like to get them back, what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this settings icon on top, and you're gonna scroll down. Then you will have this option of here in this support section, I have lost my snap streak, because apparently many of the users also are having this kind of problem in Snapchat. So this is for the support. So here if you see, as you can see, snap streaks. So as you can see, if you can read above, you can see, so if you see this time, it's like time lapse, this kind of icon over here, this timer emoji, if you see that, that means your snap streaks are about to expire, and that they will expire gradually, right? It's given by Snapchat itself. But you will suddenly lost, then if you tap on this how do I restore my Snapchat, this will gives you a solution. Either you have to purchase these streaks right there in a chat feed, or you will again have to restore it the way you did before, sending snap, receiving snap, back and forth for you to continue your snap streak and make it like it was before. So either you buying snap streak or purchasing them or creating with your activity is the option for you. So unfortunately this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.